Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, it's Tuesday morning, it's about 2 a.m. and I'm working on my SCAG Mower. The engine had went out on it, so I decided to order a new engine for it. And it came in, well, which been yesterday, so I started working on it about 9:30. And let me just show y'all what I'm doing. Let me just show y'all what I'm doing here. Here we go. Okay. This is the SCAG. I got it all broke down. I took you can see it. Got the engine off of it. I'm putting that's the old engine. See if I got more light. I can show you more of what I'm talking about here. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I got the engine off. I broke it all the way down. So I'm pull the engine off of my SCAG Mower, and we can see this here is the old engine right here. See right there. It's got a lot of well, it's got an oil leak. I think the seal one went out in it, and well, I don't know. I had one side of it fixed last year where they told me that the engine was going to go out, and one side wasn't firing, and they got it back firing. So they fixed one side of the head for me, and well, I spent some money on it, so I said I don't want to spend no more money on it. But anyway, y'all, looking at it, I got the new engine over here, and you can see it right here. I got it out the box. I'm bladed on the side, and I just put the little pulley wheel back on there. I'm getting that all mounted back on, and then I'll get the clutch. I'm gonna set it over here on the deck in a few minutes and see if I can get it back mounted, and I don't know, I may have it running tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, today, because it's 2 a.m. on a Tuesday morning here. So later on, I may have it running. But anyway, y'all, I'm just giving y'all a view of what I'm working on. So I'm gonna see if I can get this SCAG Mower back together here, and I was just giving y'all a quick view of what I'm doing. Alright, I'm just sharing a little bit with y'all. Let me get back busy and see if I can get this all wrapped up. Alright. Okay everyone, I'm back. I got the SCAG back together. I stayed up till about 4 a.m. this morning getting everything all back together on the SCAG. Let me give you a view of it. Here's the way the SCAG looks with the new engine. Check it out. That is the way that new Kawasaki FS481V engine looks. Yeah, I got it all back, well, put back on the deck, on the SCAG deck here. You check it out here. I already put some oil in it. Got it, as you can see, got it all ready to go. Added a little gas to it. I took and put the old muffler back on it from my old engine. Got him all ready to go, y'all. Just it took a little time to take him off and put everything back on there. There's my my old engine right here. It's laying right here. Yeah, that engine there, oh, I cut a lot of yards with that engine. Ooh, I mean, I've been using it since 2012, so it has went through a lot of yards. Anyway, y'all, I'm just sharing this here a little bit with y'all. Let me give you a view of me actually cranking him up. Let me go here and turn the knob on. Let's see if we can crank him up here. Let me see, I'm gonna pull it. Oh, sorry. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Sounds good. Camera down here. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. All right. It's time for me to go to work. Let me go see if I can go find some yards to mow with this. Y'all stay tuned. I will give y'all a view of me actually doing some work with this SCAG after putting a new engine on it. All right. All right. Y'all just stay tuned now. All right. I got to go.